What is going on, guys? In today's video we are going to do an install of these Bold Bars version 2 from OMAC USA, the same company in which I bought the rear bumper protector for the XC60, and today we are going to install these crossbars on the XC60. As you can tell, it's already assembled. It came with instructions to help you, but it took quite some time to actually assemble it. It wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. Mostly because of these weather strippings, it wouldn't go through. Not quite sure if it's just me, but a lot of friction. It just wouldn't slide through as easily as a video that I watched from their site. As you can tell, I have like nylon strings here that I did with the Mark 6 or Mark 7 Golf R, in which I wrapped it up to prevent any type of wind noise or drag when it's mounted on the vehicle. So here's a further look. You got 4 matching caps right here. The mounting brackets, same size, same everything. The roof rack crossbars are also the same size, same width and everything. So we will go ahead and go outside right now. Alright, so now that I measured everything, I'm going to mark it off to see where the right here where the end caps are, or the mounting brackets, whatever you call these. Just gonna make sure that it's here. Alright, so all I have to do is push this towards here, and then everything will be lined up correctly. However, there's a bit of an excess weather stripping on this side, in which I have to go ahead and cut. So as you can tell from here to here, I have a little bit of excess weather stripping, so I won't be able to do anything with it unless I cut it. So you can't slide this over because you have to cut it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, trim it, and then it should be good. Everything should be all set. I actually cut the excess right here. I marked it off. I cut the excess. I didn't even hit record, oh my god. But I marked it off, so the bottom weather stripping is good. All I have to do is slide the mounting bracket back to its position that I marked it off at. So I'm going to slide it all the way down like so. Right here. Alright. And this should be good. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. Let's take a quick look around. Again, these are the stainless steel ones. They're called the Bold Bars version 2 from OMAC USA. So they're reminiscent of the Thule design. In terms of quality, I highly doubt they're as nice as the Thule ones. But the same company that brought us the brushed satin chrome bumper protector. I'm just gonna go ahead and go on top and give you guys a quick rundown of everything installed. Again, these bars are high enough to clear the sunroof, moonroof, the panoramic sunroof, but also high enough, I'm pretty certain, to give you some wind noise and drag. So that's why this nylon string is here, to go ahead and disperse the wind, causing the howling, hopefully. Not sure yet, I haven't driven it. Installation was simple. Basically, this mounting bracket clamped on, and then this claw, this metal bracket right here, clamped on to the roof rail against this ledge right here. And I managed to put some 3M material here to help with any type of chipping in the future, along with this, you know, where the metal bracket makes contact with the satin chrome. So then that way, when this goes over it and clips on like so, right, it's gonna go ahead and protect it from any type of damage. Right, it's much better than this making contact with the chrome itself. Right? So definitely It's much better than this making contact with the chrome itself when you could just easily move it. Put some 3M tape on it, or 3M clear bra on it, and then kind of protect this for the long haul. Right. And then as soon as you tighten it, this comes down, and then one side is good, and then we'll move on to the other side. Assembly wise, it wasn't the greatest. I don't think quality wise it's nice. It's you know, you hold on to it, you shake the whole car, it's a secure fitment. However, putting in the end caps was an issue. It didn't really fit. Had trouble popping them in. As you can tell from here, it wasn't aligned correctly, so it kind of chipped. The bar right here kind of chipped off this end cap, right? But everything is, I mean, everything is secure, but you know, eventually the weather stripping here, I had trouble sliding it in. Like the OMAC site, they had a YouTube video where the owner installer just kind of glided the weather stripping in top and bottom. But for me, it wasn't the case. It met friction, it was sticky. In the end, I just lubricated with like baby shampoo, and I just glided right in, I guess, right? Overall, the key they give us is not long enough. It's a basic Allen key from any kind of kit, like a furniture type of a kit. So then there's no leverage when you want to tighten it. I'm not quite sure how much you have to tighten, but I guess it's by feel. I think for the VW, the crossbars, they had actually a long T-bolt with a T-shaped handle for you to go ahead and tighten it, also with a torque setting as well. So I mean, a few gripes. Again, like you see right here, too much sun, I think. But this end cap clips onto here, so that's a good thing. It's not gonna pop off. All right. And moving to the back, same. And then I have 3M material here to prevent this from getting chipped. And overall, to me, I think the design is not bad, because I think the Volvo ones are a lot more aerodynamic. It doesn't stick out like so, right? And I think it was flush and more like a whisper design. But overall, the end covers are really very easy to pop in and pop out. They give you two keys, as you see right here. Basically, you just kind of pop them in like so, right? That very easy with one hand, and then turn. I think it was clockwise to lock, no, counterclockwise to lock, right? And then clockwise to open. I'm not used to that, so counterclockwise to unlock, and as easy as that. So this is good, right? And I think that's about it, right? And lengthwise, install-wise, I'm not sure how far between or how far along the roof to mount it. Basically, I went to the Volvo. There were no installations for the OEM crossbars, so I just kind of took their pictures on the site and kind of aligned it like so. So right here, where I'm guessing the B pillar is, right in between here, and right when the rear passenger door is right there. So I marked it off, and that's how I did it. So in terms of distance, I'm not sure. I'll do a quick measurement to see how far it is, but I think it's overall, I think that's it. All right, if you guys are interested, I'll leave the product link in the description down below. Do I recommend it? So far, I think it's worth the 90 bucks that I got it for, versus the 300 for the OEM Volvo crossbars. But other than that, here's how the car looks. Right, and here is the side profile of the crossbars installed, and that is about it. All right, thank you for watching, guys. As always, stay safe.